Ever pondered about the role artificial intelligence, or AI, plays in the aviation industry? It's quite remarkable. The aviation industry is currently in the throes of an AI revolution. Airlines across the globe are investing heavily in AI technologies, all in a bid to enhance efficiency and competitiveness. It's a race towards innovation, a race towards the future. The scale of this AI revolution is staggering. The global AI market in aviation is growing at an unprecedented rate. It is anticipated to reach an astounding $2,222.5 million by the year 2025. But what does this mean for the day-to-day operations of the aviation industry? Well, the implications are far-reaching. AI is being used to predict flight delays, optimize operations, and even improve customer service. It's like having a new co-pilot, one that's invisible yet omnipresent, constantly working behind the scenes to ensure smooth flights and happy passengers. From predicting flight delays to optimizing operations, AI is indeed the new co-pilot in the aviation industry. So how exactly is AI reshaping the way airlines operate? Well, let's dive right in. The aviation industry is soaring to new heights with the aid of artificial intelligence. One of the most significant strides AI has made is in the area of predicting flight delays. This not only saves time, but also reduces the frustration of passengers and crew alike. AI is also at the forefront of optimizing operations. It streamlines the process, enhancing efficiency and competitiveness. With AI technology, airlines can now manage their resources better, plan routes more effectively, and even predict maintenance needs, leading to significant cost savings. Improving customer service is another area where AI has been a game changer. From personalized travel experiences to automated customer support, AI has redefined the way airlines interact with their customers. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples. Swiss International Airlines and Lufthansa have implemented AI technologies, and the results are quite impressive. They've seen significant cost savings, improved operational efficiency, and a boost in customer satisfaction. AI, as it appears, is not only cutting costs but also elevating operational standards. But what about jobs? Is AI taking over the cockpit and the control tower? You might wonder, while it's true that AI is reshaping the aviation landscape, it's actually creating more job opportunities than it's replacing. This might seem counterintuitive, but let's delve into it. Artificial intelligence is not about replacing humans, but rather enhancing human capabilities and making operations more efficient. Think of it as a co-pilot, not a replacement. It's there to assist, to predict, to optimize. And this assistance is creating a demand for a new kind of aviation professional. Consider this. The industry is expected to require nearly 2.3 million aviation personnel over the next 20 years. These aren't just traditional roles, but new positions born out of the AI revolution. We're talking about AI specialists, data analysts, drone operators, and so much more. These roles require a unique blend of aviation knowledge and technological expertise, indicating a shift in the skill set needed in the industry. So, is AI a job killer? Quite the contrary. It's a job creator, opening doors to exciting new career opportunities in aviation that we might not have imagined a few years ago. Far from eliminating jobs, AI is carving out new career paths in the sky. Scene script. So, where are we headed with AI in aviation? Well, we're witnessing a revolution in the skies. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game changer, enhancing efficiency, competitiveness, and even customer service in the aviation industry. Airlines around the globe are investing heavily in AI technologies, and the results: significant cost savings and operational improvements. Notably, AI's predictive capabilities are helping to avoid flight delays, while optimization algorithms streamline operations. But that's not all. Despite initial fears, AI is not replacing jobs. On the contrary, it's creating new opportunities, with the industry set to require nearly 2.3 million aviation personnel in the next 20 years. Looking ahead, the potential of AI to further revolutionize the industry is vast. We're on the brink of a smarter, safer, and more efficient aviation system. The global AI market in aviation is projected to reach $2,222.5 million by 2025. As we continue to soar into the skies of the future, it's clear that AI will be steering the course, promising a journey full of innovation and progress.